All right, where's my mountain bike people, guys? I have a 2022 Husqvarna Hardcross HC4 in this box. We're about to pop open and assemble, and check it out. Oh, I can already tell this thing's gonna be sweet. Couldn't film that. It was tough to lift out of the box by myself with one hand and the phone. I keep saying I'm going to get a bike lift, and I've been just too cheap to get a real mountain bike lift, so this will just have to do. Check it out, guys. Got the seat on, got her flipped up, about to put the front wheel on, and put this thing on charge. Gosh, it looks sweet. It's the black, and it's like a very, very light gray. Definitely digging it. Alright guys, we got it all together. Man, is it sweet. In the photos, I thought it was black and white, but it's black and like a, I don't know, sometimes I look it's like a gray, and sometimes it's almost like a tan. I love it, but a little different than the MCLE that we were demoing last year. It's got the different Shimano display. This one's also Bluetooth. It's got Eco, Trail, and Boost. And Boost to me seems faster than the MCLE on Mode 3 last year. So pretty cool. This thing's just, it's got the Fox suspension. Look how big these forks are for mountain bike forks. So sweet. I'm going to do another video where I go over the exact specs and stuff. But if you are a mountain biker, if you're into e-bikes, you know, Specialized is a great company. They're involved in GNCC. But if you want to stick with a true motorcycle company, Husqvarna e-bikes are pretty sweet, guys. Gas has a line coming out this year too. We have all the parts and accessories, the apparel lines, all for this stuff on AOMC.mx. So I would advise you, if you want to get into e-biking, you know, it's mountain biking, but it's a lot more fun, and you almost feel like you're on a motorcycle when you click this thing up into boost and take off. So if you want to take a spin on this, all you have to do is find me at an event somewhere this year, and you know, you can take it for a demo ride and see what you think. So more on this later.